Good Thursday morning. Time to get up and get ready for work. Let's go.
Welcome to another fun day. It's lunchtime. I'm gonna make myself God, when did we have these burgers? Are these burgers even still good? You know what, if I died, still smells good. And yeah, I'm gonna have some burgers for lunch. And other than that, I'm downstairs working, I have this new thing that I'm supposed to do in a couple weeks, and I'm trying to get a head start on it for work. And I'm there just like putting in stuff and trying to compare, contrast. Okay, how did they do this? Why are they doing it like this? And so this will be for my, future one day, hopefully, position, where it's a program called Boomi, and all it does is moves data around. But I'm trying to set it up, and I'm very lost. So we'll see if I can figure it out. They said that, they'll work with me and all this fun stuff. They got a few people that know a little bit about it. But because I'm trying to take on the role, I'm going to try to get a template of it before we actually start fully working on it. So I'm trying to get, whatever has been done, goes pretty fast. And get, what has been done, and input in there. So when the other people end up putting in their fields, hopefully I can just snap those fields in, run it, and we can pray that it works. Yeah, just trying to set up a whole thing beforehand. So that's about it for my day. Really not much going on at the moment. I have no clue when I made those burgers though. Not a clue. I'm willing to bet that it's been over a week. Trying to get a view of the fish without startling them. Let's see. I just seen one. It's very reflective. Let's see, because I can see the dude. It's right there towards the top lily pad. Gotta fix the net. It drooped down. Probably means we need more weights. More rocks. But yeah, there he is. It's two of them. The other one's a little hard to see. But those dudes are about 8 to 10 inches long now. Still kicking. When I go to throw the food out, they get startled by the food every time. Let's see if they get startled this time. Eventually they'll find out, oh yeah, crap hitting this means food. Koi fish are scavengers. Wow. Look at you. Can you see him? He's hiding. Huh? I'm gonna have to get him out of the house. How'd you get in here? Yeah, I can see you. You startled me a little. I hate to say it, dude, but you're gonna starve there. We don't get food on the inside of the door like that. Food! And that was my phone that I just heard going off in my ear saying, you got somebody at your door. Yeah, I'm gonna put you back. Just don't come into my house. Time to make them burgers. Put some cheese on these boys. We're gonna use provolone. Man, microwaving really brings out that grill smell. Randomly enough, if you can smell something, it's because the atoms are coming off of it into the air, and allowing you to smell whatever, contents that may be. The weird part is that because you can smell something, it's technically evaporating, right? It's technically going up into the air, which allows you to smell it. So anytime you can smell something, it's technically losing mass, just at an extremely slow rate. Such as things like mercury. They say the air around mercury, the element, the actual metal, is poisonous. Well, if the air around it is poisonous, that means that it's slowly evaporating into the air. And because of that, it is slowly getting smaller. Not at a rate that you would ever see them. Now I pull out a paper plate. And because we used the burger buns for grilled cheese, I'm just going to use regular bread. That's my day so far. Not much going on. Ooh, a wild Jax has appeared. What's up, Jax? Just looking at that little spot on the ground. Wow, wow. Ow, wow. Wow. Well, hello. How are you, Jax? Yeah? Did you want some treats? If you did, I really couldn't tell. Gonna take the tasty stuff before you take the filling stuff. And that right there is a happy cat. Who doesn't bring any money into the house, doesn't work, doesn't clean. Very demanding, and we allow this? So yesterday, the boys got to see the turkeys. We see them, turkeys, every year around the same time. And I don't see any onion already cut up, so I'm not gonna bother. Wait. Let's get this going. I'm more of a mustard person than I am a ketchup person. Time to eat. Oh yeah. Can't forget to put these back. See you in 2 seconds. Or 10. Or a minute. Who knows if I'm in the rest of this video? We'll find out.
We are home from work and school.
It's been 2 seconds.
Oh my goodness. Skylar made another puzzle in workshop. He made a frog. With a frog on top. And all the rest of his classmates were making the fish that he made yesterday. He also drew that. If it'll focus. Ta-da. But I am eating some beef jerky. You can't even see me. There we go. For a snack. I'm hungry. But I don't know what's for dinner. And it's only 3 o'clock. So. I need to get meat out. Maybe spaghetti. No, we don't have. I want spaghetti, but we don't have garlic bread. Let me go look in the freezer and figure out what we're going to eat for dinner. We decided to make pizzas for dinner. That's a Supreme. And that was, it said all meat, but it just looks like sausage and pepperoni to me. So, that's what dinner is tonight. Why are you walking like that? Look at the cucumber.
That's why they put the tip on them.
I noticed the time and I'm like, oh crap, I gotta make lunches and edit a video. Time to make lunches. My battery's blinking. Okay, we'll change that. Thank you. Alright. Shaun's gonna go and change the battery out. So we'll see how much I get done while he changes it. Right?
Mm.
We'll see how much I get done with making lunches while you change the battery out.
Yeah.
I was able to get mayonnaise and slice my...
on 2 pieces of bread.
Yep, and slice my bun.
Not even just barely start to slice it.
No, I said the bun, not the cucumber, the bun. He thinks he's fast.
Yeah, she's gonna have me come all the way upstairs just to get her some water.
Wonder who that will be. Something on me.
Oh, cool.
I will be mad.
Sure.
I think there's the water out. Huh?
It's cold water.
So I usually just add ice to it and continue to drink it.
Tastes different.
Yeah, to you.
Water is yucky. Water is yucky. Water is yucky.
Flying here. Oh, do you ever order those Zeebo things?
No.
We need more of those sticky pads that go in it.
You like how many were on it when you edited that video?
Yeah, it needs to be changed. That's why I asked if you ordered them.
Only 1 or 2.
Huh?
Said there was only 1 or 2 of them.
Oh, you're talking about the bugs? I thought you meant you only ordered 1 or 2. Alright. Lettuce. Skylar said that his oranges from today that I put in his lunch tasted like somebody put vinegar in it. So I don't know if it was just a bad cup.
I think it was a bad cup.
So I'm like, who would put vinegar in your orange cup? They don't have that at the school that I'm aware of.
No, he thinks at the processing plant.
Oh, why would they do that? How about just a bad cup?
Yeah.
Give me napkins. Napkins. 2 napkins. Wow.
Jeez, dude. I get it. You want treats. Chill.
Okay.
Calm down. You gotta yell at me.
And tomorrow's Friday. Yay. Well, yay for you. I gotta work Saturday. I do get Sunday off though. I was supposed to work, but there's a guy that works at the end of the line. He said he'll come in for me on Sunday. He's an older guy, but he was like, it's just me, so I don't have anything going on Sunday. I'll come in. But alright. I'm gonna have some grapes while I edit this video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Merry Christmas.
I know I just ended the video, but I was pulling the grapes off of this so I can rinse them off, and one rolled under the stove. So Shaun's laying here, and he started pulling stuff out. What'd you pull out? We found this. That's one of Jax's squirrel toys. There's the other one. What else is under there? There's a mouse toy. Is there another one? There's the grape. Is that everything under there?
For now.
Oh, that's funny.
He loves those squirrels.
Those are his favorite. So it's probably why he can't find them, because he throws them everywhere. He hides them. He went back to his water. And then tomorrow they'll be back under the stove. Alright, now I'm gonna go eat my grapes and edit the video.